All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. And guess what? Leon Bailey is back. I have some details we're going to discuss re Leon Bailey. Two, some positives and also a bit of negative, but you don't know, it's not always shining, pretty sunshine. There's some rain somewhere. But definitely, guys, hopefully, guys are doing good. Please, guys, please do smash the like button if you're here for the first time. I want to get back on my foot now, get some videos going. I do apologize. I really do apologize in recent time where you guys haven't seen a lot of uploads from me. Yeah, I do apologize for that. I've been really busy. Was sick for about a week and then I was really busy. But I'm up and running now. So guess what? Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. So Leon Bailey, as you guys know, in recent time, a few weeks ago, Leon Bailey was out due to an hamstring injury, and it was recorded as, I think, was a grade 1, where it was not that. It was not one of the heavy or long ongoing hamstring injury. As you guys know, that there are different grades of hamstring injury, but certainly his one was not long. But on the website, it was slated that Leon Bailey should return early May, and guess what? No, it's early May, and we saw Leon Bailey going up against Wolverhampton over the weekend, despite Aston Villa already. Despite Aston Villa lost that game. Now, let me just jump into some deets. Let me just jump into some statistics before I get into the details of what I want to speak about really and Bailey. So for that game, he played a total of 45 minutes. He came on in 45 minutes. These are his details. Actually ended the game with a 7.1 match ratings, which is quite strange. Which is quite strange. You could see the intent. You know, I'm going to get into that differently. Shots 1, shots blocked 1, offside 0, key passes 2, passes completed 8 out of 11, which is 73%. Crosses completed 1 out of 4 at 25%. He had a total of 23 touches and was fouled twice, and he committed 1 foul and made 1 clearance. Now, the reason why I said that is not always bright and pretty sunshine is that the statistics are quite good, but with Aites, the performance was not that everything, because there was a 1 moment where I think he got the ball, he dribbled past about 2 players, he was pulled down, won the free kick. When he got the free kick, hit it straight into the wall, and then he gave it away again. But football, that is football. That is football. For me personally, I am happy that he's back. I'm really happy that he's back right in time, because as you know, the season's ended, and I do believe that he will play a part. He will have a good say in Aston Villa push for European games, push for European spots this season. So I do believe that Leon Bailey will be imperative in that, in Aston Villa pushing for that. And I do believe from what Unai Emery said, that he's happy to have Leon Bailey back. And as you know, Unai Emery is a coach where Leon Bailey suits his system. So that's actually a huge positive where that is concerned. Other than that, Leon Bailey coming back, I'm hoping that, and at least when he came back, you see for that 45 minutes, you actually saw pretty much a good little performance, a good little cameo, 45 minutes cameo, which is showing that, hey, when it's fully fit, what he can do when he's fully fit. So I'm hopefully he regains back his full fitness, so he can get back into the start level, because he was a starter when he picked up the injury. As you guys know, this has been one of Leon Bailey's best season where injuries are concerned. He has seen a lot of game time this season, even though his numbers so far this season hasn't necessarily reflect that game time. And you know, it's something that we always said, that once he starts getting regular game time, his numbers will match up. But as you can see, out of 35 games played so far this season, he has a total of 30 appearances, which is, as I said, is a lot, and he registered just 4 goals and 3 assists. Certainly that area, that's something that he needs to work on. That 7-goal contribution in 30 appearances. So he has to work on that, especially as a wide player in the Premier League. As a wide player, your numbers are expected to be a high output. Unfortunately, this season we have seen that, and I am hoping that next season, these numbers can double or maybe triple for him to goal contribution, in total goal contribution, like in the region of 20, something like that. I'm hoping to see those numbers triple. Then now, under Una Emery, who plays a more transition type football, I do believe that it can happen. It boils down to him and what's going to happen. So I'm happy to see him back. You already know that the Gold Cup is right around the corner, so we're looking forward to see that. Listen now for more videos, people. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Please do smash the like button and tell us what you think with Liam Bailey coming back now and to coming back to almost full fitness, and we're likely to see him end this season in a good state. I think that there's three more games left for Aston Villa, so let's see how Liam Bailey assists Aston Villa in making one of those European spots, because it'd be good to have Liam Bailey and most of our Reggae Boys in these European games playing on high level European competitions, which is what we aim for. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Join the family. Big up, people. Big up to our patrons and also our channel members. Massive respect. Big up to our sponsors at SAP Sports. Check them out as well at SAP Sports 4 on IG, and also down in Clarendon, Mapen. You can check them out in Denby, Clarendon, Mapen. Big up, people. MG Sports TV, and we are out.